Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger login error. You can't use this feature right now. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you are having this type error that you can't use this feature right now, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes your internet might be weak or you face these type problems. So once you have to check your internet connection, you have to normally enable your airplane mode, and here you have to wait for almost 5 or 10 seconds, then disable it again. It will make a quick refresh into network settings, and once you have that, you just have to go back and try again, or you have to relaunch your Messenger app. So open up your Messenger app again, or if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to open up your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Messenger, and here you have to make sure that there is no any update available. If you have any update here, so you must have to update your app. Once you have updated, so it might be that your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't, you just have to open up your settings again and then go for general, and here go for software VPN and device management option, and here you have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN, or if you have connected any VPN here, so you must have to disconnect first and then retry. Or if you are still having the same issue, so it might be that your account must be banned or blocked or suspended, or you just have to retry after 2 days or 3 days, or if you can't log in your account after trying after 1 week, so you have to contact to official website or official support center of your messenger. So in this way you can easily fix messenger login error. You can't use this feature right now. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.